Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So who wants to go first? Yesterday we looked at the different types of data analysis. Like we said that there are 4 types of data analysis: descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. Yeah. Okay, we also have the cognitive analysis. Actually, there are 5 of them. So who wants to take the first one? Patrick? Lolade?
Okay. Basically,
Which
descriptive
one you?
analysis. Descriptive
Which one do
analysis.
you? Which one?
Descriptive.
Okay, descriptive. Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Analysis is a type of analysis of data that
Mm.
helps to describe or show or summarize data points in a constructive way.
Okay,
It
that's good.
summarizes and organizes characteristics of data sets.
Okay, yes, that's very good. As the name implies, actually, it describes the answer to what happened, and it alters raw information from numerous data sources to give important knowledge into the past. Yeah, though these outcomes barely signal that something is wrong or right without clarifying why. It just describes it. It doesn't really, you know, signal. It just tells you that it's wrong or right. It doesn't really clarify why. That's the descriptive analysis. Hello, Olive. You're welcome. I could hear you, but you couldn't hear me before you.
Hello, Franca. Yes,
Okay,
there was a problem with my speaker,
okay.
so
So
I
you're back now.
restarted the laptop. Oh, yes, it's
Okay,
fine now.
great,
Thank
great,
you.
great.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Hello, everyone.
Mm,
Thank you.
mm,
Thanks, Franca.
Okay, yeah. That's Olive Eluyomade. She's here with us this evening. She's one of the trainers. You're welcome, Olive.
Thank you very much, Franca.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Mm. Okay, so Lolade, you took the first one, the descriptive. Patrick, are
Yeah.
you there? Which one do you want to take? This was the assignment given to you last night. So which of the analytics do you want to take? Which type do you want to explain?
Predictive analysis.
Patrick,
Can you hear me?
Patrick, you didn't do your assignments.
Can you hear me?
We can't hear you. Patrick, are you there?
I'm here. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay.
So which one do you want to go for?
Predictive analysis.
Predictive. Okay, so tell us about predictive analysis.
So basically, it is used to determine future events, like it is used to determine what's probably going to occur. Basically, meaning it utilizes discoveries of descriptive and diagnostic analysis to distinguish cases and anticipate future patterns. So basically, it is used to forecast events.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, the predictive analytics is giving hints that is something related to the future prediction, as the name implies to. Yes, that it tells about what is going to happen. It uses the discoveries of descriptive and diagnostic analytics to identify bunches and special cases and to predict future trends, which makes
Yes.
it a significant device for estimating. Okay. So, who wants to go next? Who wants to take the next one? Lolade, Patrick.
Okay. Okay. Cognitive is like an
Oh,
intelligent technology that covers multiple analytical techniques to analyze large data sets and give structure to the unstructured data.
Okay, that's the cognitive, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, the cognitive analytics stimulates the human thoughts also, human thought process to learn from the data and extract the hidden patterns from data. It brings all the data sources such as audio, video, text, images within the reach of analytics processes that further use for decision making and business intelligence. Okay, so who wants to take the prescriptive analytics and the diagnostic analytics? Okay, let's take turns. Patrick, can you go for the next one?
Okay, prescriptive analytics.
Okay.
Or it utilizes emerging tech. It utilizes emerging technology and tools such as machine learning, deep learning, etc., making it modern to execute and oversee it and deal with data basically.
Okay. Yeah, prescriptive analytics. Yeah. So the motivation behind prescriptive analytics is to describe what move to make to eliminate a future issue or take full advantage of a promising trend. So prescriptive analytics utilizes advanced tools and technologies similar to machine learning, like you mentioned, business rules and algorithms, which makes it modern to actualize and manage. Yeah. Okay. Lolade, you want to take the last one? Diagnostic. Diagnostic.
Okay. It helps analysts determine why a particular change or event happened in data.
Okay. Yeah, just like when you go to the doctor, he diagnoses what is wrong with you. So at this stage, historical information can be classified against other data to acknowledge the topic of why something happened, why one is sick. If you go to the doctor, he wants to know what is wrong. So diagnostic analytics provides top to bottom bits of knowledge into a specific issue. It shows that you all did your homework. That's very good. Yes, so you went online and checked this out. Yeah, so do you have questions from what we did the last time? Is there any area you want us to go over from what we did last night? Any questions? Okay, so no questions. We're fine with all we did the last from yesterday. So no areas. Were you able to practice what we worked on?
Yes.
Okay. While you were practicing, was there a problem? Is there any
No,
area?
I was I went I listened to your instructions, so there was no error.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And okay, we used Patrick's laptop. We used the screen, yes, last night. Lolade, were you able to practice to get to the level where we were yesterday? Lolade, can you hear me? Can anyone hear me?
I hear you.
Okay, Lolade, are you still there? Were you able to practice and get to the stage where we were last night? Okay, Kenneth is coming in though. Okay, that's good. Hello, Kenneth. You're welcome. How was your day? Okay, I'll share my screen and we'll go through some of these slides. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Hello, can anybody see my screen?
Hi, Franca. No, it's still the just the names showing.
Okay. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me think somebody is coming in. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen now? Hello? Can anyone see my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. It's
okay,
just come
okay,
on now.
great. Okay, so this is, we're looking at module 2. So waiting. Somebody coming in as a guest. Who is this? Okay, hello, Kenneth. Hello, Joan. You're all welcome.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, so we're looking at module 2 today. We started, we did some lab last night. Saw how to prepare. We looked at, we saw how to prepare data in Power BI, cleaning data, transforming and loading data. Went through ETL. Remember, can somebody remind us what ETL stands for? Patrick? Lalade? What does ETL stand for? Yeah?
ETL?
Yes, what does it stand for?
I don't remember.
Patrick Lolade, you should tell us.
Abi,
Go
ETL.
on. Mm-hmm.
I mean, extract,
Yeah,
transform, and load.
correct. Extract, transform, and load. Yeah, and we saw how to get data, extract data from different sources. Last night, we extracted data from Excel, from CSV file, from text file last night. And we saw that we can extract data from different sources. SQL, just name it, so many sources. Okay, so this model teaches you the process of profiling and understanding the condition of the data. We will learn how to identify anomalies, look at the size and shape of the data, and perform the proper data cleaning and transforming steps to prepare the data for loading into the model. Okay, we did some cleaning yesterday. Okay, I already introduced myself last night. Yeah, and I mentioned also that Olive is one of the trainers on call tonight. So in this module 2, we'll learn the following concept: the data shaping. Yeah, that's cleaning the data. We saw how to trim and clean. and clean the data. And we learned, and we'll also go through how to enhance the data structure, data profiling, and preparing data. Uh, okay, we went through that yesterday. We started that yesterday, actually, how to clean data and get data. So after completing this module, you'll be able to apply data shape transformations, enhance the structure of the data, and profile and examine the data. Okay, shaping the data. Shaping the data is really cleaning the data. Remember, you need to bring the data to Power Query, which is your kitchen, or we refer to it as the kitchen or the workshop where you do your cleaning and reshaping of your data. So the benefits of clean data is you get more accurate results if you have a clean data. If you don't have a clean data, your result is messed up. You get better organized tables, simple data navigation, and human readable values. So these are the benefits of a clean data. So we always have to clean our data. Once we bring it in, before we can use it, before we can visualize them and tell stories with them. Okay, so it says identify column headers and names. Yes, use Power Query Editor to clean up and shape your data. We saw that. Okay, remember, you bring in your data from the different sources, Excel, the cloud, several sources. Then you transform data with Power Query. Yeah, you clean it up, and you can publish it, publish the reports. You visualize your data and you can publish it. Okay, you could also have it the mobile. So when you publish, you need the Power BI service to publish. But you can work with your desktop. It's always advisable to use your Power BI desktop. I hope we all downloaded the Power BI desktop. It's the desktop. Patrick and Lolade, it's
Yes,
the
I mean,
desktop you downloaded it, yeah, because
yes, I have it.
yeah, okay, so you don't have to work online.
No, no,
Once
no.
yes, okay, so once you have the Power BI desktop, you can work offline. Okay, remember I mentioned that the Power Query is your kitchen of Power BI. That's the Power Query. Okay, somebody, okay, Kenneth, you have a question. I see your
Martha, I
hands
was
up.
just trying to respond to you. Good evening.
Good evening. Hello,
How
Kenneth.
are you?
It's good to have you here.
Thank you.
You're
Very
welcome.
much. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. You're going to respond to what? You mean when I called your name, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yes, when I was welcoming you on board. You're
Yeah.
welcome. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. Okay, so here you shape the data to meet reporting needs. So shaping the data is really cleaning it. You delete remove top rows. If they are blank rows, you remove them. Yeah, you remove them. Okay, and this is how to remove blank rows. We'll go through that in the lab. Yeah, remove blank rows. That's part of the cleaning of the data. Mm. Then to enhance the data structure, you also rename your data. You can rename the table, the column names. We went through that yesterday, actually, how to rename data, how to rename column names, and how to replace values. Yeah, went through that yesterday, and we'll see, go through some examples also. Then we'll also see how to append tables. Appending tables, yeah, when you have two tables, you can append the two tables. You append rows when you're combining rows. Say concatenate rows from 3 or more tables into a single table. So 2 tables or 3 more tables. You please take note that you append rows when you're combining tables, when you're combining the rows, you are appending. But when you are combining here, when you have 2 tables that have, okay, like here, you can see that these 2 tables have a common column. That's the order ID, order ID. Yes. And you want to combine these 2 columns. What you'll be doing here is you're merging. So when you're combining columns, you are merging the 2 tables. Please take notes when you're combining columns, you're merging tables, but when you're combining rows, you are appending. And it's very important because you come across this in your exams. So you use advanced editor to modify M code. Here, the code that Power Query Editor is creating with each step. At the background, you have this, but you don't have to learn this. Okay, this is the M code that's been behind the scene. Okay, you see how to profile data. Okay, then we'll go through. Okay, data profiling and structures examination. Data profile is understanding the states and structure of the data you are working with when we say profile data. Okay, and we look at modeling too, how to model data and the relationships. These are things we would go through. And here we'll also see where you have column distribution, column profile, column quality. These, we'll go through this because you'll come across this in the exam. Yeah. So now let's go straight to the lab. Yeah, let's continue what we're working on yesterday. Preparing data in Power BI, cleaning, transforming, and loading data. So who wants to share his or her screen? Lolade, are you ready to share tonight? Lolade, are you there? Hello, Lolade. Oh, Lolade dropped off. What happened? Okay, Patrick.
Yes.
So, okay, can you share your screen and let's continue where we stopped? Yeah, maybe Lolade is having a challenge. Her internet must have thrown her out. I'll call her to find out what's going on. So, Patrick, could you share your screen, please?
Okay, I'm coming.
Patrick, is there a challenge?
No.
Okay, Patrick. Okay. Okay, this is. Can you maximize the screen? Okay. So these are the files we brought in yesterday. Brought in these 4 tables. Okay. So can you go back to your, okay, while you're here, click on, okay, click on countries. Click on countries. On the fields pane. Okay, click on sector. Let me see what you have. Okay, so you worked on all this yesterday. Okay, but okay, you are in your, let's bring this back to, let's bring this to Power Query. Can you click on the transform data? Remember, can you see your screen? If you look at the top, no, not there. Can you cancel this? Just click outside. Yes. Can you take your cursor up? Let's where you have Power BI desktop. Can you see that? Yeah. So you're on Power BI desktop. But remember I said to do your cleaning, you need to be in the Power Query. Yeah. So you click on transform data. Transform data. Yes. Okay. To take you to Power Query where you do your cleaning. Did you click on transform data again? What happened? Click on transform data. No, click on transform data.
There's a problem. There's a problem on my end.
What's the problem? Is it delayed or something?
No, it's not.
It threw you out? Okay, this is where you saved it.
Yeah. I'm trying to open it from there.
So what you'd have done is you would have opened it. Okay, click there. Click there and bring it up. Have you clicked on it?
Yeah.
It looks like your system is being delayed.
So I'm going to transform data now.
It hasn't come up yet. It's not coming up.
No, it's not.
Okay, go to your Power BI. Can you launch your Power BI? No, just
I'm going to
close.
close all those things. Yeah, like.
Yes, just to minimize this and launch your Power BI. Okay, Lola, this, sorry. Patrick, what's the challenge?
I don't know, like you can't find the data, so like I have to like open it again.
No, just launch your Power BI first.
Yeah, can you
Go.
see it now? I've
No,
launched
your
it.
Power BI is not coming up.
Okay, wait.
I can't see your Power BI. Are you
Uh,
sharing share your screen and launch your Power BI, please? Okay. Okay, can you close that? Okay, now click on file. Click on file. Okay. What did you save it as? Is
Plus
it
one.
class one? Class
Yeah.
one. Okay. Yeah. Click on it. Unable to open. Okay, close this. What's the other one? Okay, maybe you didn't save it properly. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. Okay, now.
Okay.
No, can you go to click on home? Then
Yeah.
transform data. Yeah, transform data. Okay, Lolade, you are back. Yeah. Hello, Lolade.
It's still showing the same thing. I don't understand.
What happened?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, the way must have been the way you saved it. Okay. Get a clean. Yeah, just close this and. Okay.
Let's open a new one. I'll close this. Like I don't know the problem with this.
But your Power BI is fine here.
Yeah, it's fine there, but when I try to like transform, it does like it's not doing that. It's not transforming.
Okay, close
Let me
this.
just
Close
open.
this.
So I close this.
No. That's okay. So the file. Bring in the file. Let me see what file you have. So you have those two files. It looks like it's corrupted. Yeah.
Yeah, both of them. I'm going to delete this too. Should I? Can I just open a new one and just go over everything we did quickly? So I'll just get the CSV
No.
file.
No. Okay. No. We need to start on the next one. You can do the ones we worked on yesterday on your own. Yeah. Just okay. Close this. Let's just start on a new slate. You can
Okay.
bring those. Yes, you can work on those ones. Just watch the video and work on them together. Okay, now let's go to your data sets. Can you go to your data sets? Remember the ETL data set that was sent to you? Ah, Patrick. Hello. Patrick, can you hear me? Lolade, how come nobody's speaking?
Frank, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. Patrick, we're waiting. Lolade, are you there?
I don't think
Hmm?
Loladi on.
Lolade is muted. Lolade, can you hear me?
Oh, okay, sure.
Yes, yes,
Hello?
that's Ololade. Hello, Patrick. Patrick, what's the problem? What's the challenge? Patrick is not speaking anymore. Okay, Lolade, you want to share your screen?
Hello?
Hello.
I would have loved to share my screen, but I'm having issues with my laptop. It's really very slow.
Oh, really?
Very, very slow. I don't know what the problem is.
Okay. Okay. Patrick, what's the challenge? What's the problem? You can start. Patrick, you did very well last night. So what's going on? Yeah, he dropped off now.
Maybe I think maybe his sound, because he was
Ah,
unmuted, so maybe his sound was the issue.
okay.
See whether he'll come back on.
Yeah. But you can share your screen even if it's slow. Let's see, because it's good to have hands-on. Share your screen and bring in. Did you extract the data set, the ETL data set?
I don't think I couldn't do it.
Oh, you couldn't extract the data
I
set.
couldn't, yes.
Okay. Share your screen. Let's show you because you need to work with this data set. Can you share your screen, please?
I'm trying to work with that.
Well, you have it on your system, yeah?
Um,
Hello, Lalade.
I'm sharing it. I'm sharing the screen now.
Okay.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, it's coming up. Okay, so where do you have the data sets? Did you download it?
I couldn't download it. That's what I'm saying. Let me try it again.
Okay. That's it. That's it up there.
Yeah, I know. I've seen it.
Okay. 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 Look at it down there. So click on it.
Okay.
Download. Okay. Patrick is coming back now. I think Patrick was thrown out actually. Okay. So once it's downloaded, you need to unzip it.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see, if you didn't share your screen, you wouldn't have been able to do this. Mm. It's good to at least have your data set so you could practice. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you need to go to your downloads, yeah, to get it and extract.
Okay.
Okay, can you go to your downloads?
This is it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Right click.
that's it.
Right
Yeah.
click.
Then so you downloaded it several times. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4?
Just
Yeah.
just
Oh,
select the file and then right click. So you can
okay.
select the one that says 3, yes, then right click.
To
Yeah, then
extract.
so I should click on this extract.
Yes,
Yeah.
extract. Yes. But you need to delete the others so you don't
Oh, okay.
yeah, because you already have 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one are you extracting now? Delete the others, then
One.
extract one. So okay, can you click on the others and delete?
Yeah, I'm doing that already.
Patrick,
So what do I do
No,
next?
no, not there. Click on the close that list you have there and click on extract, the pink extract.
Okay. Is this it? Wow.
no, go back to your screen. You're in your Power BI screen.
Okay.
Yeah, go back to your
Downloads.
to your downloads. Yeah. Mm.
It's going to take a while.
No, the downloads, not this one. Not this one. You already downloaded it. Can you go to your download? Can you minimize this?
Okay.
Minimize the screen. Okay. You can also minimize your Power BI. Okay, cancel this, cancel this, cancel,
Let's cancel.
cancel, cancel, yeah. Okay, Patrick, you are back.
Yes.
Patrick, you are thrown out, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Uh,
My
what
laptop is
happened?
really slow. That's the problem. So I think we'll have to use someone else's one.
Okay, you stopped sharing.
Oh,
Did you stop sharing?
probably I clicked on something else then.
Okay. Patrick, you're sharing now.
Okay.
Mm. Patrick, can you hear me? Patrick, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
So go to your data set first, Patrick.
I can hear you.
Can you go to your data set, please? The ETL data set we're working on last night, remember? Can you go to them in your downloads? Okay, Lolade, but were you able to extract the data sets?
Yeah, I'm there right now.
Okay. Patrick, we are waiting. What's going on?
Someone was looking
Patrick,
up.
bring up your
Thank
data
Mike.
sets. Okay. No, you're still on your,
Yeah.
we can see your teams. You need to share your whole screen. Can you reshare?
Can you start see my whole screen?
Okay. No, you don't need to bring this again. Let's cancel this. Cancel this. Okay. So that's your data sets. We worked on trim, clean, and care last night, renaming. And Patrick, can you go back to the screen we're looking at, please?
Yes.
I was just reading through through the data. Yes. Can you stay on this for now? Okay. And we also looked at the splitting columns. So we don't want to go through them again. Yeah. What's the next one? Can you read it to us? Zero
Removing
four.
rows.
What does it say? Huh?
Removing rows. Removing rows.
Removing rows. Okay. Removing rows. Click on that. Click on removing rows. Let me see what you have there. Removing rows. Okay. Okay, we didn't do that yesterday. So let's check what type of file this is. Can you take your cursor near the
CSV.
type, under the type? Okay, it's a CSV file, yes. So let's go back to your Power BI now. You want to bring it into Power BI. Power BI. No, can you cancel this? You can do this on your own now. Maximize your screen. Patrick, can you maximize your screen, please?
Uh-huh.
No, we can't see it, Max. Okay. Okay. Now, would like you to bring it into Power BI, get data.
Yes, the first one, right?
Click on get data first. It's a CSV file, so click on get data. Okay. Okay. So transform data. You don't want to load data, you want to transform it first because you need to clean the data. So click on transform files. Patrick, can you click on transform data at the bottom of your screen?
Done that already. Can't you see my screen?
Yeah, it looks like your screen is a bit delayed. Okay, that's better. Okay, so tell us what is wrong with this data set. We're all data analysts now, so
First,
Lalade, please help him out. What do you need to do
first
here?
look oh,
Pa
sorry.
Pardon? Pardon?
Right up.
Patrick, yeah, go on. What did you say?
Oh, okay. I think we should make the third row the uh we should make the third row the first row. Oh,
Okay, before doing that, what else? Yes, what do you need to do first before you do that? Lolade, can you help out, please?
Okay, I think basically we'll have to change the header. The third row is going to be the header. Use the
Okay,
first row as header.
okay,
Then what else?
okay,
I think probably the alphabet and numbers should be separated.
okay. But we have these two rows that are blank. Cost summary is nothing really, but we have two blank rows.
Oh yes, we have to delete those blank rows.
Okay. So what do you do to remove you use the remove rows. Can you see the remove rows on the menu?
Yeah.
The middle there.
Okay, yes.
Click on the down arrow key next to it. Okay, you can see remove top rows, remove bottom rows, remove alternate rows, remove alternate rows. No, can you hold on, please, Patrick? I'm just explaining this. Remove alternate rows means if you want to remove, suppose you want to remove, you want to leave the first row, remove the second one, um, leave the third one, alternate rows. Yeah, that's as the name implies. Then remove duplicates, remove blank rows, or remove errors. So what do you want to do? Which one do you want to use here?
Remove blank rows.
Okay, or you can do remove top rows.
Remove
Remember,
top.
yeah, remember this is not the first row is not totally blank because you
Blank.
have
Okay.
cost summary. Yes, so remove top rows. Can you click on that? Patrick, can you select remove top rows? Okay, it says specify how many rows to remove from the top. How many?
One, two,
Is it one or
two,
two? Two
two.
rows. Okay, go on. Go on, Patrick. Number of rows, two. And okay. Voila. Yeah. So the two rows are gone. So what do you do next? You're all data
Top
analysts
role,
now. So what do you do? Pardon?
top role as the
Yes, right.
header.
Correct. Use first row as header. You know where that is now. We did that last night. So go on. Where is it?
I just did it.
Patrick? Huh?
Just done it. I just clicked it.
No, look at it right there. Lolade, you know where it
Yeah.
is?
Yes, I've seen up. Okay.
Can you direct Patrick?
I
Okay.
already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Oh, you already selected it. Okay, your system.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I think it's your internet that is a bit slow. Okay. So you've done that. Now you notice that the data types, you can see that the first column is date and it is right aligned.
Mhm.
Yeah. And the second column is products and it's the text type it's alphanumeric. Yeah. Where you have numbers and text is alphanumeric, so it's ABC. Then the next column is sale price, it's decimal. Please always take note of the types, the data types. Can you scroll to the right? Let's see what you have. To the right. Okay. Patrick, can you scroll to the right? Scroll it
I
down.
have.
Okay. System is a bit delayed. Okay, so that's all we want to do here. Can you go back and let's look at the next data set? Okay, while you're here, remember you're in Power Query Editor now. So how do you bring in the next data sets?
From Power
Okay.
Query
Okay, hold on.
Editor.
Okay. Yeah, okay. The next one is replace values, isn't it? Click on
Yeah.
it. Click on it. Replace values. That's 05. Can you go there?
I'm there right now.
Okay. Okay, what type of file is this? What type of?
Text document. Text
Okay, it's a text
document.
file. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to Power BI and bring it in. It's a text file. Can you go to your Power BI, please? No, the one you were working with, where you were the last time. Did you bring in another Power BI? Patrick, 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 can you hear me? Hello, Patrick. Patrick.
Yes, I'm there right now.
No, this is not where you need to be. You want to go back to your Power Query Editor where you were working on last time. Can you cancel this, please? Go back to your Power Query Editor. Cancel this.
Okay.
Somebody has a noisy background. Can you mute yourself if you're not speaking, please? Patrick, can you cancel this and go back to
I'm on
your
Power
Power?
Query Editor right now. I'm on Power Query Editor right now.
What we can see is your Power BI screen. Okay, fine. All right. Um, excuse me. So to bring that table in, what you need to do, what do you do here? Because you're in Power Query Editor. What do you do? Remember, you click new source. No, new source. We worked, yes.
New source. Okay.
New source. That's what, yes, because you want to bring the data sets here. Click on, there's a text file, yes. So if you're in Power Query Editor, just click on new source and, okay, click on the London, yeah, click on open. Okay, so click on OK to bring it into Power Query Editor. Okay, that's good. So, can somebody tell us what is wrong with this data set? Lolade Patrick, help us out here.
We have empty rows.
Empty rows where?
That's 2 is empty. Even though number 1 just has like a, it's not complete.
Okay.
We have a lot of empty rows. Then what else? The number 3 should be the header.
No, okay. Let's take it one step at a time. So, which empty rows do you want to take out?
I think the second one is empty.
Okay, the first and second, because you don't really need this one when you're analyzing data. Yeah, first and second. So how do you take that out?
Remove rows.
Okay. How do you want to remove it?
Remove top rows.
Okay. So what do you do here?
Okay.
2. Okay, that's good. So what do you do next?
Make first rows header. Use first rows.
Sorry, say that again.
Use first rows header.
Okay, please go ahead. Okay, done. So what else is wrong with this data set?
The date claimed is I think it's to the right. We have to move it back to the left.
How do you do that? The date claimed. Date claimed is to the right. Okay. Remember, okay, alphanumeric is left aligned. Yeah, and your numeric is right aligned.
Oh, okay.
Remember, yeah.
Can I say that again?
Your alphanumeric is left aligned.
Okay.
Yeah, and numeric is right aligned. That's the standard.
Alphanumeric.
Yeah. Yes. Alphanumeric, like the
left aligned.
Yes, left aligned, and the numeric is right aligned.
Right
so your dates alignment is right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So tell us what else is really wrong there.
Like space. Do we have to give a space after accommodation? Like everything has to do with accommodation.
Okay. There is a lot of spaces which is wrong. Actually, what this means is from 1 to 7 is accommodation. From 8 to 16 is bank charges. Yeah, but you don't want to represent it this way because you have, can you click on that first column? Can you click on the down arrow key and see what you have there? Down arrow key, no, first column there. Okay. Yeah. Look, click on it. Okay. You have a lot of blanks. Anyway. Okay. Cancel. Cancel that. Okay. So you have a lot of blanks, which is wrong. Yeah. So to fill up this, you need to use replace the blank spaces. You can see all these spaces. You want to replace them with null. So you can with null. Can you do that? Now remember we did replace values yesterday. What happened? Click. Or you can right click. You can right click and get the replace values. Replace values. So what are you replacing?
And the empty spaces.
Okay. You're replacing, just take one empty space, one, and replacing it with what?
So what am I writing the value to find?
Replace
One
with what?
space, right?
Replace with, yeah, it's just the space bar. Yeah, replace value to find its space. Then replace with what? Go to the next column. You're replacing it with null. Okay, please take note. If you use the capital N, you use the capital N null first and see what you get. Capital N. Okay, click on OK. Okay, so nothing. How happened there?
Nothing.
Can you take out the blank, take out the last command? Go to your applied steps to the right, and take out the last one. Okay. Go back to that. Replace. Okay, space. With null.
Capital letter.
Do small. No, okay, do small n. Let's see what you have in that. Click on OK.
Nothing.
There's a problem with you. System is not working. Okay, cancel that. Cancel that. You'll come back to that. Cancel the last. Okay. Okay. Let's go. You'll come back to that later. Do the next one. The amount. Remember I said your amount should be, that's a figure should be right aligned. Yeah, but it's left aligned here because you have the pound sign. Can you see the pound sign? And if you look at, can you tell me what else is wrong with this column? What else is wrong with this column? Look at
Letters and numbers.
letters and numbers. Where?
The amount now. The pound sign. That's not a number.
No, okay, yeah, the pound sign. That's why you can see that it's showing as text there. The ABC. It's showing as alphanumeric, which is wrong. Your amount should be either decimal or fixed decimal. Okay, if you look at row 21, what do you see there?
Not agreed.
Not agreed. Okay, so that is wrong also. You shouldn't have that. Then, okay. So you want to replace that. Replace not agreed. What do you want to replace it with?
0.
We can't hear you.
0 pounds.
Sorry?
0 pounds.
0. No, you just want to replace it with 0. Okay, so go ahead and replace not agreed with 0. No, replace values. You go back to highlight the whole, go to the header. Replace with 0.
So I should write not agreed, right?
Not agreed as it is written there with 0. Click on OK. Okay, so it's done. Yeah. And the pound sign, you want to take out the pound sign so you can make it numeric. Remove the pound sign. What do you do to remove the pound sign?
Split column.
Pardon?
Split column.
Click column.
Split.
Okay, do split, or you can replace it with, you can do replace too,
Or you can replace
because
it
if
to
you're using the split column, you know what to do. Like it will be like 2 steps. You have 2 columns. Okay, try the split column and see what you get. I mean, it's good to practice. Use the split column, and we, we used that yesterday. So what do you select? What do you, okay?
it's not going to
You
help.
see,
You shouldn't
you
do
see,
that.
yeah, because yes, I wanted you to try it out and see what you get. Okay, so just use the replace value. That's the pound sign. Replace value, pound sign. So just type the pound sign there.
The pound sign on my laptop.
You don't have the pound sign on your keyboard.
No, it's just the dollar sign and
Hmm. What do you have on 3?
3.
3 is
3.
hard.
Yeah, click
Last
on uh,
3.
3. Click, yeah. What sign is that? That's the Naira sign.
No.
What's that sign? That looks like hash, yeah?
Yes.
Mm, okay. So you don't have a pound sign on your keyboard.
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay,
And there's no
okay,
way you can copy that stuff. Yeah.
pardon? Okay, use the
There's no
split
way you can
column.
copy.
No, use the split column again and use another. You could do positions, and see what you get by position. Okay. What position do you want now? That's 1, position 1. Just say 1 and click on OK. See what you get. Okay. So that worked. Yeah. Can you see that? Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So there are different ways to go. You could even use delimiter. Yeah. You could use So this works. Yeah. So as data analysts, you have different ways to go about this. And you notice that the data type also changed automatically. Yeah. It changed to decimal. Yeah. And it's right aligned. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go back to your first column again. Can you go back to your first column? Okay, now replace the blank again with null. Just blank space, one blank space with null. Click on OK. That's surprising on your system. It's not right.
Can you try it on yours and see if it's going to work?
Sorry?
Can you try it and see if it's going to work? So I know like it's a
On
problem.
another system.
Yeah.
Okay, Lolade would have shared her system, but Lolade, are you on this?
I'm here. Well, I'm just watching from
No,
here.
okay, you are not on your Power BI.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Okay, let's leave this. We'll come back to this again. Surprise is not working on your system here. Okay. Okay, let's go on and bring in the next one. But try it again and see what you get. Because what you should get null all through.
Yeah. Value place, right?
No, leave there. You don't need the advanced here. You don't need the advanced here. Just
It's not doing anything.
yeah. Okay. We'll go back and we'll come back to that um, some other time. Let's go to bring in another. Go back to your data set. Okay. What's the next thing there? Changing data types. Click on it. Let's see what you have there. You see, the name tells you what you want to do. Changing names. Okay. Okay, this is a CSV file. Can you see that? Okay, so let's go back to your Power Query and bring it in. Column names. Okay. Okay. Column names. Okay. 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 Click on OK. Yeah. So for this one, can somebody tell me what is wrong with this data? Okay. When you see a data set, check the data types and check the data set. Okay. Men looking at this, what you see, okay, this, you can see that the first column is okay, alphanumeric. The second column is numeric, which is okay. The third column, yeah, it says dates column. That it tells us that it's a date column, but it's 1, 2, 3. So it's there's a problem there. So can you click on it and change it to dates?
On this part.
Yes, because it's supposed to be date, but it's just giving us figures. So you want to change the data set to dates. doing? Yeah, click on replace currents.
Error.
And you get errors. Why do you have errors?
I
Okay.
don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay, can you get rid of that, the last applied step? At times it's good to get these errors so you know, um you understand. Okay, okay, it's changed it to alphanumeric. So let's change the data set back to the data type back to numeric. It was numeric, yeah. Where you have ABC, just then it was numeric. Okay, whole numbers, yeah. Okay, so why this is giving you errors is because the Americans have their way of writing dates and the British have a way of writing dates. The Americans would do month, day, and year, while Nigeria uses the British standard, which is day, month, and year. So this, I mean, it could be, it doesn't understand what you want, whether you want the American way of writing dates or the British, yeah, because it has four to the first. Can you read the first? What does the first? Oh, sorry, Luis went off. It says 42563. Anyway,
43,
so
63,
okay,
43.
okay. So what you need to do when you have errors like this, you need to select locale. It wants the local date standard, the way you write your dates locally. Yes, that's the day, month, and year. So that's what we want. Yeah, so go back to right click again, right click. Patrick,
Yes,
did you right click?
yes.
We can't see you should have a pull down. Right click again.
Can you see it?
No, can you see it yourself? Huh?
Yes. I can't.
You can. You can see the pull down. Okay, go to local.
Yes, I can't.
Okay, go to local. The local is your internet is a bit delayed anyway. Go to local. That's
What's
the
local
last.
on that?
No, once you right click,
Yes.
how come it's so
Yes,
delayed?
copy, remove other column, duplicate column, add column, remove page, remove errors, change type, transform, and so on.
You can't see local there.
No, no local.
I always prefer you to use your screen, but looks like did you scroll down and you can't find local?
So can you see my screen?
We can see your screen, but we can't see the pull down. Did
I
you
can't
right
see the,
click? Did you right click?
yeah. What? Can you see it now?
We can still see your pull down. Can anybody see the pull down?
No.
Yes, I can see the screen.
Can you see pull
No,
down?
no, not the no. I think no. I said to right click, not the arrow down key. Right click on the
Yeah, right
dates.
click.
Where is
I
no,
yeah.
no. You are clicking on the arrow down key. What I'd like you to do is to
So
right click
like
on where
I'm
you
right
have.
clicking. I'm right on date column, right?
Can you cancel this? Can you cancel this? Aha, this is what we want. You went off it now.
This right. This
Yes,
like I've
yes.
been doing this since. Like I don't
So
know.
how come we haven't been seeing it then?
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. First, change the data type to. Okay,
So
this is where you were.
yes.
Okay.
What
What
should
do
I
we
change
have
the
here?
data type to?
Okay, click on that first. Click on that.
On the data type
Yes, click on the data type.
using
Okay.
locale.
No. That yes, using locale. That's what you want.
So should I click using
Yeah,
locale?
click on it. Yes. Okay. Now change it to dates. Go back there. Go back to your data type where you have 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I clicked on using locale. Can't you see what change
Oh,
type
okay,
to
okay, it came
locale?
up. Yeah, it's just that your screen is a bit delayed. Okay, the data type, um, change it to dates. It's saying text there, so change it to dates. Okay, your system is a
So
bit
is it
delayed.
fine?
That's why. Yeah, click on dates.
I have.
Yes, it's still coming up. Hmm, wow. Okay, click on OK. Okay, you notice that. Okay, local, it says English, Nigeria. Yeah, that's what we want. So click on OK. Can you see? Yeah, so
Yes,
it's corrected now.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
corrected now. So that's basically what you want to correct here. Yeah, and okay, this one that says column, number column, number column, and it's saying you can change the data type because, yeah, change
The
the data
second
type.
column or the third column.
The two of them, you can change them to numbers because they're not seen as a number column, one after the other.
So the whole number,
Yeah, you
like
can
the
do
whole
whole
number.
number. Yeah, so you'll be right aligned. Okay. Okay, good, good. Okay, let's bring in the next data set.
On pivot column. Can you see it? Should I open it?
What type of file is that? Did you check?
BI desktop, Excel worksheets, Excel worksheets, Excel worksheets.
Hello?
Yes. Oh,
Okay. Okay, you can bring in one of them, one of the files. So what files are these?
The first one is Power BI desktop document.
Okay, bring in one of the pivot files, the first one. It's an Excel file, isn't it? Yeah. So go back to your Power Query and bring it in. Okay. Can somebody tell me what click on it and open. Okay, so you have the responses and you have the answers. Yeah. Okay, we want to bring in the responses. So you need to click in the box. Okay, you notice that. Okay, hold on. Okay, they're the same files, the responses and the answers. Click on the answers too and see that it's the same. Yeah, it's like one mirroring the other. So but to bring it in, you need to click in the box. Click in the box to the left. Okay. Okay, then click on OK. We gave you so many the others you can practice on your own. Yeah, the other data sets. Yeah. Okay, so this is responses. And can somebody tell us what you understand by pivot table? Pivots. What's a pivot table? Olive? Sorry, Lolade. Lolade.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, what does a pivot table mean? Patrick, what do you understand by pivot table? Okay, what do you understand? Okay, pivot table actually is a summary table.
Okay.
Summary, yeah, is a summary of a table. Okay, take for instance what you're looking at here. Yeah, you have the spicy tower, the dates, the activities, all the activities overall, main meal. Scroll to the right and you see that. Yeah. You have desserts, you have music, 5. So this is a summary of the table. Yeah. And you can't really analyze using this. So you need to unpivot it. Okay. Okay, now to unpivot, you could unpivot on these two columns. That's the restaurant and the dates column. Yeah, because all these are activities. Yeah, you can't really analyze using that. Okay, so highlight your restaurant and your dates column. Okay, right click. It went off. Highlight the two of them. Then, can you see the on pivots other columns? That's what you want. No, other columns. Yes, you want to unpivot other columns. So click on it and see what you get. Okay. So you notice that now you have Okay, I need you to look at the number of columns you have.
Mm-hmm.
4.
4.
How many columns do you have?
4.
4.
Okay, and how many rows?
999 plus.
Okay, so you have more rows now. Yeah. Okay, cancel this, cancel your last applied step again. Okay, how many columns do you have here?
12.
12. Okay, and how many rows?
560.
How many?
560.
560. Okay, so you notice that you have more columns in your pivot tables. Yeah.
Unless
So
rows.
pardon?
More columns, less rows. Why there are
Those
more
less
rows
rows.
and less
Yeah.
columns in
Yes. In the unpivoted one.
um,
Correct. Yeah. Okay, so on pivoted, go back now and pivot. So when you're doing your analysis, you need to on pivot to be able to do, because you can't analyze with this summary saying overall is 5, main meal is 1, all that. Yeah. Okay, on pivot,
other
you notice,
columns.
yeah, other columns. Yeah. You notice what it has done is spicy tower gives you the date and overall that, you know, the spicy tower is from 1 to 10 and it gives you the activities and the value. Yeah, the dates and the activities and the values. Okay, so do we understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, any questions so far?
So I have a question.
Yeah, go on.
So those other columns we just what do we just do with those other columns now? We
The
just
merge.
Okay, yeah, you notice that. Okay, take it back to remove this again, remove the last. Okay, take note that spicy towels, just let's take the first row. Yeah,
okay.
it
Number one.
has, yes, the first row. Yeah, the dates and
Okay.
the
Overall.
overall figure is this. The
Alright.
main meal is 1, starters 10, desserts 10, staff, and so on. It
Yes.
gives you, a detailed,
Okay.
can you see? Yes, staff. And if you go to if you scroll to the right, it gives you a summary of what is happening
Okay.
in spicy tar. Yeah, in one row.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you on pivots, you notice
Okay.
that the next column is spring. All these are different restaurants. Yeah, different restaurants from
Okay.
1 to the end. They are different restaurants. So on these dates,
But, but
these
some
are
of them have
the
the same name
activities.
on
They have the
different days.
same what?
The same
Say that.
restaurant but different. Like
Which
from 1
ones?
to 560, some of them have the same restaurant name.
Okay, like okay, you have spicy
One
tower there.
six. Yeah, number
Yeah,
one, number
and
six.
13.
13.
Yes, what is doing here is that you can see that on this date, these are the activities. Yeah,
Okay.
on the different dates, these are the activities. But when you're on pivot, it brings all the spicy towels together. Yeah,
Okay.
and tells you the activities, so you can analyze that way. Yeah,
Okay.
but if you have this, you won't be able to do your analysis because it's scattered. Yeah, you have spicy tower
Okay.
in column 1. You have it
Six,
in
13.
6. Yeah, exactly. Scattered all over the place. But once you're on pivot, it brings everything together, all the spicy tiles together, and tells you the activities on the different dates. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So on pivot, let's see. Pivot other columns. Okay. Okay. So you can see that you have spicy tiles from row 1 to 10. Yeah. And spring elephant from 11 to 19 to 20. Then so on and so forth. Yes. And you have less columns now and more rows. And more rows. Okay. Now let's look at view. I want to show you something. Click on view. Click on view. Can we take another one before we call it? Okay. When you click on view, click on column distribution.
Okay.
Okay. Column distribution. Okay. Here it will tell you how many. It will tell you the distinct and the unique values you have. Okay. Here it says 8 distinct and 0 unique. Yeah, and the date is 89 distinct and 0 unique. Okay. Okay, so it shows that you have like eight different restaurants. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and over here attributes 10 distinct, and so please take note that the column distribution would give you the distinct values and the unique. Okay, cancel the select. Deselect it, then click on column profile, because you get this in exam. So I'm just giving you hints so that you know what you get in the exam. Okay, the column profile here, if you had errors, it will show you. Here the count is 1000. You have 0 empty cells, 0 errors, 10 distinct. So it will and it will give you all these values. Okay, deselect that and click on column quality, see what you get. Click on column quality. Column quality is to the left.
No, no, sorry.
Okay, column quality will tell you the valid values, which is 100% here. Error is 0% and empty cell is 0. So if you have empty cells, it will tell you. If you have errors, it will tell you. So it's just for you to know the views, the different views, because you come across this. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the next data set. Let's see let's see if it's something we can cover before it's 10. What's the next data set you have?
Rearranging column.
Rearranging columns. Okay. Rearranging columns. You don't have to bring that in. Rearranging columns is really let's use one of the no, go back to your go,
Okay.
go back to your Power Query. Yeah. Okay, could use one of the tables we brought in here. Okay, let's go to the column names. Let's see what we have there. Column names. To the left, column names. Column names, the queries you have to the left, you have the 4 tables here. Column names. Okay.
I've opened it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, rearranging tables is really suppose you want the first column to be the last column. Right click
On.
on the first column. Okay, then you move, click on, can you see move? There's an arrow key there. Yes, so it's asking you if you want to move to the left, to the right, or to the beginning, or to the end. Yeah, that's rearranging columns. Okay, you don't want to move to the left because this is the leftmost column. So let's move to the end. Click on there to the end to see what you get. So yeah, voila. So it's moved it to the end there. Did you see that? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can move it back again to the beginning. You can either do that or you can just cancel your last applied step. Right click again.
It's back at the beginning.
Yes. Okay, great. So that's rearranging your columns. So you could use that to move your columns. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the next one. What do you have for the next one? Let's see. We have about 2 minutes to go. No, back to your data set. No, data set, your data set. Let's see. What do you have?
Creating custom
Okay. Creating custom columns. Then, okay, if we start that, won't finish before 10. Yeah, I think we'll leave that till tomorrow is Wednesday. Yeah, okay, open it. Let me see what we have in there. Okay, BMI. Okay, we can use the costs actually for this. Yeah, we could start on it. Go back to your Power Query. Okay, yeah, we could use the costs for that. Okay, here. Okay, you notice that we have the sale price, we have the cost price. Yeah. Can you scroll to the right? Okay, can you rename the telesales to quantity? Let's just use that as quantity. What column is that? Is that can you start from the beginning? Let's just can you scroll back to the first column? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Can you rename it to quantity?
Direct info.
Yeah, quantity. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you have the sale price, you have the cost price, and you have quantity.
Okay.
Yeah. Suppose you want to calculate your profit. Okay, I think we'll continue with this in the next class. Yep. But okay, Lolade, it'd be nice if you can practice,
Yes, I will.
using this data set too, because it's good to have hands-on. Yeah. Yeah, it's good to have hands-on. Patrick, also do that on your own. Yeah, practice, practice, practice. And if you have questions, you could bring them to class. Yeah, so we can look at them. Okay, so any questions with what we've done today so far? I think what I'll do is I'll drop a project so that you can start working on your project for next week, because you'll be doing a presentation
Next week.
Yes, next week, yeah. But I'll drop it either tomorrow so that you can start working on it. Yeah. So any questions with what we've done so far?
No. No, I don't have any.
Pardon?
No, I don't have
No.
any.
Okay. Do you want us to go for another 5 minutes and 10 minutes? Or you want to call it a
But if
night
we
now?
continue, are we going to finish this under 5 minutes?
Yeah. Are we going to finish it? No, because we want to calculate total cost and all that. Okay,
Just
we'll leave it we'll leave it for
To
another day.
tomorrow. All
Yes,
right.
yeah. All right then now. So
Thank you very much.
you're welcome. It was nice having you all on call. Mm.
Mm.
Yes,
oh, wait, excuse me. Should
Patrick.
I apply? Excuse me, should I
Oh,
apply the
okay,
same?
yes, okay, yes. Okay, can you because you need to, maybe that's what you didn't do yesterday. You need to apply, yeah, save and apply. Mm. Click on file. Okay, so that will save it. Yeah, can you say that it's saving, because you need to close and apply. Can you click on home when this finishes? Click on home. Okay, it's
Home.
already, I mean, click on home.
So I have to save
No,
it first before I can.
no, why are you saving it outside here? No, click on
Cancel.
cancel this first. Cancel this.
Home.
Home. Can you see close and apply? This is where you close it and apply.
Okay.
Click on it. Yes, click on it.
Close.
Click, pull down the arrow. There's an arrow down key.
Hey. What
What
have I
happened?
done?
You went off that again.
Oh my days.
Click, click on home. Click on home.
Home.
Okay. I hope you saved it before you went up.
Ah.
Because
Oh,
okay, you
well,
were
I hope
going
I
outside. You were going outside Power BI to save. You don't have to do that. Oh,
Oh, I don't have to do
I
that.
hope
I
you haven't
didn't
done.
know now.
Click on
Oh my god.
click on file.
Wow.
Yeah, just click on file. Okay, save as, and give it a. You can call it give it a name.
Should I save in data set? I'll save it in data set.
No, why did you go out of cancel this first? It takes you out. Why is it file?
I just what we just did. I want us to find that one first before I can see. Because I hope you've not. Oh my. I hope I've not closed that one like this.
Can can you click on file?
I want us to find what we just did before I close it.
That's it now. That's what you have, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay, file.
Yes. Save as.
I click save as, right?
Yes.
Save as.
And give it a name. No, I mean, take note of where you saved it anyway.
Like that's what I'm saying. Like I'm going to save it in data set. Like that file is sent to us. I'll save it like in the file.
Okay, go ahead. You mean in
Just
that folder?
Yeah.
yeah, this folder. Yeah,
Okay, give it a
I'll
name.
just save as mess.
No, 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 don't save it. You can save it as day two or whatever. Yeah. Mm, okay. Or call it Patrick too. You always give a name when you're giving your file. When you're naming your file, give it a name that's when you say it, you remember. Yeah.
I'll remember now if I see you, I'll
No,
know
no,
now.
no, no. Thank
I'll
you.
say it as
Mhm.
day two.
Day two. Okay. Okay. That's better. All right. All right then. So see you all tomorrow. Good
All
night.
right. Good
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 night.
night.
night,
Thank you
and have
very
a
much.
good night rest. You're
All
welcome.
right.
Okay.
Night.
Good
Night.
night, Salim. Please, if you have any questions, you could drop it on the chat on the WhatsApp platform. Yeah. Okay. Good night, everyone. See
Good
you
night.
tomorrow. Good night. Have a good night rest.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Good night. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. Yeah, everybody knows.